Right, something that used to give me a lot of troubles after doing a bevel was corners that had the geometry too close together, and you would get these overhangs and things that weren't attached. So the first thing I had to do was find where the intersect was supposed to happen, and that is right there. And then you got to pull all the vertices to that point. Right now there's no vertice there, it's just the intersecting lines, so we need to get some vertices there. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drag this one out of the way, and I'm going to pull this one to the intersection and that one to the intersection to get a vertex there. So vertex slide, edge detection, let's get this one right there, and then we're going to grab this one and we're going to pull it right there. Now if we go back into solid view, you see everybody's lined up. Now we just have to go back to Vertex for our snapping, and pull them all to that point. And now we have a nice clean corner.